Hey guys, welcome back to my family YouTube channel. So today, so I rented sort of like this little place. Well, I kind of work there, sort of like when we do fidget trading, I'll go there and do it. So yeah, and I also added some clay into our collection. So we have some clay. Yeah, I was playing with it in the car. Anyways, so yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about at the business place when we get there. So yeah. I also have my mask, but we're here, so here we go. I'm gonna walk in. Here, start a little spot. So this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is like if someone were to trade a poppet. Poppets would go here, and this is what I would trade them, and this is what they would trade me. So, yeah, and there's also this other side they told me about. So, like, this would be the poppets, same thing. So, yeah. I don't know what I want to trade. I think I'm going to trade the purple and green clay. So that means I would here, I'm going to do this side. So that means I would put it right here and we would just wait until someone trades. Oh, it looks like someone offered. So they added a wacky track and some sand. I think I'm going to tell them to add. Oh, they added a 3x3 Rubik's Cube and a skateboard. I think I'm going to accept. Oh, yay, they accept it. Thank you. Add these. Now, I don't really get to, like, find other people's unless, like, people do this, but, like, they don't do this. Well, at the business, I trade, but they don't trade me unless, like, I give them something and but, like, I can't find any offers, so, yeah. I think tomorrow I'll end up, like, bringing, like, a little bag of, like, a few things and stuff, so, yeah. Next, I think I'm gonna trade this. So, like, this would go, like, either to the poppet or really just any big things. So I'll just put this right here and see if anyone ends up offering. Whoa, they added a poppet, guys. Oh my god, okay. I don't think I'm gonna have them add, except if it's like a tiny thing. Actually, you know what? I think I'll have them add one tiny thing. So oh, they added. Okay, I think that's really good. So I'm just gonna say accept. Oh yeah, they accept it. Thank you. I'm gonna add these into the collection, and then I'll just. I think I'm gonna trade like 2 more things, and we'll come back tomorrow. So yeah. And right now, let's check the time. 3:15. So yeah. I don't know why I just did that. I think I'm gonna trade my yo-yo because I don't really like it that much. So maybe I can have people maybe overpay a little bit. Like, I know there's like 4 boxes right here, but they said people can still overpay and underpay and stuff. So, yeah, let's see if anyone's gonna offer. Oh, people actually offered. So it looks like they have some more sand. That's cool. Since I just got one, I'll have them add like one little thing. So. Oh, they added a paper squishy. I think I'm gonna have them add like a few more things, or like 2 more, maybe so. I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, they added a pea popper and a little Orbeez thing. I think I'm gonna accept. Yeah, they accept it. Put that in mine. Maybe like 1 or 2 more. So I think this time I'm gonna trade 2 things. No, 4 paper squishies. So I'm gonna trade the Among Us, this hydro flask, this little thing, I don't know what I could call it, and this one. So let's see if anyone offers. Oh, they added slime, a 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and a green monkey noodle. I'm gonna have them add 1 more thing since I have 4 and they can have 4 too. So let's add. Oh yeah, they added a little bit of a wacky track. I'm gonna accept because I really want that. Yeah, they accept it. A lot of people are accepting too, so that's good. Alright, I think I'm gonna do 1 more thing, and I think it's gonna be this. We'll do this for 1 round. I'm gonna put this for actually I'm gonna do all my emojis for the next round, and maybe like my bike chain. I mean my how should I say? my little bike chain thing. Yeah, my bike chain, and also a pea pod with this. So yeah, let's see if anyone offers. Oh, they added a triangle Rubik's Cube and a rubber fidget spinner. Actually, this time, excuse me, I'm gonna decline. Okay, so now they're gone. I'm not gonna trade this. I'm gonna put that over there. Now I'm gonna trade my bike chain and my skateboard. Also my pea pod, if I can find it. Pea pod, where are you? Oh, here we go. I think I'm gonna also trade this paper squishy with my monkey noodle. I know I just got it, but I'm gonna trade it. So I have this right there. Put that right there. This. I'm gonna put that right there. That's it. So let's see if anyone offers. Ooh, they added a water timer. That's my dream fidget. This stress ball and this, I guess, hamburger bun. You know what? I'm gonna accept so we can get onto my emojis.